Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to create a menu for a restaurant using MetaBox and Elementor. In this practice, we've already had a website with many restaurants like this. They'll have different menus. Let's create those menus using MetaBox and Elementor. This is my sample menu. The name of the restaurant is the post title. This is information about a dish on the menu. Information such as the name of the dish, price, short description and image of the dish will be saved in custom fields. Let's see which tool we need to do this practice. We need Elementor first, and we use Elementor Pro, which has integrated with MetaBox. Besides, we'll use MetaBox to create custom fields easily. It's free and available on WordPress.org. We also need some extensions from MetaBox to have advanced features. You can install them individually or just use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. In here, I've already created a custom post type named Restaurants to save all the information of each restaurant. In the event that you haven't had yet, using MB custom post types and custom taxonomies to create one. Next, MetaBox Builder to have an intuitive UI to create custom fields in the backend. Finally, MetaBox Elementor integrator to connect and display custom fields created by the MetaBox plugin in the Elementor's dynamic tags. That's all the tools we need for today's practice. On the WordPress editor, I will create a group field like this. It will contain 4 subfields. One allows to upload photos, the other allows to fill in the name of the dish, price and description. In addition, I will make this group clonable. It will help me to add information about other dishes through the Add More button. Let's create custom fields. Return to the MetaBox menu. First, create a group field. I set this group as collapsible to collapse the information. If you choose this option as expanded, all the subfields will display in default like this. With the collapsible option, the group will be collapsed, then it will avoid being messy. Next, name the group title according to the corresponding name of the dish. Finally, set this group as clonable to have more space to add different dishes information. Then create the subfields. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type and select Restaurant Post Type to apply these fields to it. Now, when adding a new post in the Restaurant Post Type, you will see all the custom fields. Now you can fill in the information of the dish into the custom fields. Here are some examples that I have already created. Let's create a skin for the menu. Go to the Elementor theme builder. You will see a menu named MetaBox Group Skin. Add a new skin there. Remember to set the preview for this skin as a single post of the post type you want. Let's add a widget to contain all the elements. Now, just add elements for each kind of information. First, for the name of the dish, add a heading element. To get the name of the dish which is saved in a custom field, let's use the dynamic tags. Since we saved all the custom fields for post, choose MetaBox fields in the post section. Then select the name field. You will see the name of the dish displayed immediately and correctly. It will automatically get the data from the first group for preview. For the information such as price and description of the dish, set them as text editor elements and also add dynamic data to choose the corresponding fields. For the image of the dish, add an image element. Click Dynamic Tags as usual. Select the image field. Finally, remember to set the condition for the skin. Since we will use this skin for the single post of the restaurant, I choose this option. Back to the theme builder. This is the skin that we've just created. But leave it there. Let's create a new template in the type of single post. Similar to the skin, remember to set the preview. Search for the meta box group element. The object type of the template will be set by default. You can change it to the right one you want. This will automatically get the created latest group. You can also change it to the group you need. All the data from the group will be displayed, but there is no styling. To apply the style for it, choose the skin that we've just created in the previous step. Now, the preview changes immediately with the created skin. Update and see how it looks in the front end. Let's style the page in the following step. I will add elements such as the name of the restaurant, background and image to decorate the menu. We've just styled this template. To be able to style the section below, we have to style it in the skin section since it is the content of the created menu skin. Now, go back to the created skin and style each element. You can see all the style of the skin is now displayed. This is how it looks in the front end. That's the end of today's practice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more upcoming tutorials. Bye.